for that criteria by this summation. Now to find the weighted normalized value of each of the alternatives, let us say that is V. So you just multiply the weight of the criteria with the normalized values of the alternative. And then you add the values of the alternative for the beneficial criteria, and you add the values of the alternatives for the negative or cost criteria. Then you have to use this formula Qi, this one, to find the value of Q. Qi is nothing but Qi, that I indicates the ith alternative. Okay. Now Si is the summation of that alternative for the beneficial criteria, plus S minimum means the minimum value of the alternative for the cost criteria. Dot means multiplication with the summation of all the cost criteria, all the values of alternatives for the cost criteria. Okay, divided by, now again, the values of the alternative for the cost criteria multiplied by summation of S minimum, S negative minimum, S superscript minimum. That means the minimum value of the alternative with respect to the cost criteria, and that you will divide by the values of alternative for the cost criteria. Okay, and once this Q you get for each of the alternative, then you comes the utility, that is N. This Ni is nothing but Qi by Qmax. Among the alternatives, one Q will be maximum. Now you divide each of the Q of each of the alternatives by this maximum Q among all the alternatives used for your decision making problem, and you divide it by 100. That will give you the utility function, or N. Now the alternative with the highest N is the best, alternative with the lowest N is the worst, and naturally the alternative